Agency, did they cover everything for you? Yung mga research, mga ganyan, or nag-research din kayo?
We did our part as well po, pero sila yung must, kasi honestly, like, I don't have any idea
Mm-mm.
at first, pero nung nandun na kasi ako sa situation na you have to choose itong school na to, or they provided options for school. And
Ah,
then, yes po, so yun ang malaking tulong naman sa kanila. But with all the documents, talaga din-double check din po namin. Then kami na lang din talaga yung nag-cover lahat. I mean, dagdag ng addition na alam namin sa tingin namin makakatulong sa application ng visa. Pero in terms of looking for school and advices I mean based sa kanilang experience, talagang very generous naman po sila. Actually, they also provided different provinces. We choose Winnipeg lang talaga kasi we have relatives here.